you. This is recorded from an iPhone, and it's for Taylor the Notebook Shelton. Eat a bag of dick? Just kidding, that's so rude. That's so rude. Why would he say that? This is called Do I Sound Like Mumford and Sons? Do I sound like Mumford and Sons when I drop this down to my lungs? And it hurts really bad, but I'm going to finish this song that I'm making up as I go along. But this is the second take, and I know I'm gonna add something onto it. Do I sound like Mumford and Sons? Mumford and Sons. 'Cause your ex-girl kind of thinks that I look like him. I don't mind it, I wish that I could find, kidnap and take his place, take his skin, take his face, it better fit like mine. But I've got amazing eyes, yes, that's the one thing I hold on to. I've got amazing eyes, yes I do. I've got amazing eyes, they got freckles or something, that's what people tell me. And I got this luscious head of hair. If I could only grow a beard, I think I'd be complete with empathy. I am a real human being. If I could only grow a beard like James Harden, please beg your pardon, I'm not black. Doesn't mean that I wouldn't mind. James Harden beard was luscious contract. Let's hear it for the Thunder Crabs. Do I sound like Mumford and Sons? Sound like Mumford and Sons. Got this smoke in my lungs, I've got this hair on my tongue. But it was not your fault but mine, and it was your heart on the line. I really fucked it up this time, didn't I, my dear? Do I sound like Mumford and Sons? Do I sound like Mumford and Sons? I've got this smoke in my lungs, I've got this hair on my tongue. Well, it was not your fault but mine, and it was your heart on the line. I really fucked it up this time, didn't I, my dear? Do I sound like Mumford and Sons? Do I sound like Mumford and Sons? I've got this smoke in my lungs, I've got this hair on my tongue. Really fuzzy, let me lick your face. And the tuning's gone to hell, but I don't really mind, 'cause I sound and maybe kind of look like Mumford and Sons. If my guitar would only stay in tune, I don't think it was ever in tune to begin with, so I'ma blame it on that. And I sound like Mumford and Sons. Do I sound like Mumford and Sons? I'm gonna higher, yeah, like Mumford and Sons, or maybe the Kings of Leon. Yeah, my sex is on fire. Yeah, your sex is on fire. That's Mumford and Sons singing Kings of Leon. And then they're all done and everyone's gone, because it was not your fault but mine, and it was your heart on the line. I'm gonna end this song this time. Oh my God. And it was your heart on the line. I really snorted that whole line of cocaine, of cocaine. That's a long song. Bye!